if I can get that from... Are you playing a flute? So, I'm going to start out with the Golden Flake Louisiana hot sauce flavor. Shit. Babe, are you playing a flute?
No, I'm watching TikTok.
So, what are you doing? Hey, will you pour me a shot?
It's popping and I went with pop.
Pour me a shot.
No, I ate one.
I want a shot of some tequila.
I already ate one.
You ate one when I was out of the room?
Yeah.
Get out of here.
It said, Teddy.
It said, go pour me a shot.
It's popping.
Alright guys, so that is what they look like. What's up, Verse Straight family, and welcome back to the Verse Straight family channel. I'm your host, Tommy Verse Straight. Today we're going to be testing microwavable pork rinds made by the Oberto company. They are called Lowrey's Bacon Curls Microwavable Pork Rinds. If you go to Amazon.com, you can find these in an 18-pack for $13.48. That's not too bad, but how do they taste? The Lowrey's microwavable pork rinds, they come in hot and spicy, and they come in original. Let's get this in the microwave.
I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when...
Whoa. I wasn't expecting this. Here's how they turned out. Yeah, so that's what they look like. I'm honestly surprised. I didn't expect them to come out of the bag like this. I have seen some review videos, but I haven't seen them look like this. I'm really surprised. So because these are hot and spicy, I feel it's only fair that I compare them to Golden Flake Louisiana hot sauce. That's, in my opinion, the only Golden Flake flavor that could compare to this. So for a side-by-side, that's what I'm going to be using today. And I've never had these. So I'm going to start out with the Golden Flake Louisiana hot sauce and tell you how I like it. That's good. That is really good. I haven't had these before. I love Golden Flake as a brand. Their Sweet Heat Barbecue is my favorite. This is really good. That was weird. Wow. Okay. This bag's a hit. It is not a bag of shit. This is good. I was not expecting that from microwavable pork rinds. I mean, wow. That's really good. Okay, so I wouldn't say it compares to Golden Flake. In my opinion, nothing compares to Golden Flake. But these right here, they have to be my second favorite. I've never had a pork rind come close to Golden Flake pork rinds for me. And this is right there. Some of these that I've eaten so far, they do have that melt in your mouth factor. It does have that crunch. The flavor, as far as the hot and spicy, I would prefer the Golden Flake Louisiana hot sauce flavor over these. But these are really good. They're not bad at all. I'm not saying don't buy these. I'm not saying don't buy these or try them for yourself. For $13.48 for an 18-pack on Amazon, I mean, it's not that much. Give it a try. You won't be disappointed. These are good. Wow. I mean, listen to this. That came out of a microwave. Is that weird ASMR stuff you guys like? Hang on. Y'all into some weird stuff. That's good.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul.
Come here. Try one of these. They came out of the microwave. Here. Here.
Ooh,
You like it?
that's good.
Is it that weird ASMR shit that they like where you go?
Yeah.
And they pick one up and they're like,